G'day guys, just a quick one. This is a Nissan Leaf BMS, and this is the circuit board inside of a Nissan Leaf BMS. There are three main types, ZE0, AZE0 and ZE1, and I've developed a small solderless programmer for the ZE0 and AZE0, which covers most of the earlier Leafs. And what this does is, without soldering, you can just use these gold pins here and connect them to the programming port. And on the PC, you just copy the firmware that you want to the app, and it takes about 60 seconds and it will reflash the microcontroller with the firmware that you want. This means it's easy to change firmwares around, including the new firmwares for the 60 and 40 kilowatt hour CATL battery kits, and that means you won't need a cam bridge. And yeah, so I can't sell you the firmwares, but you can find those in the usual places, and we're just selling this tool here, which makes it nice and quick and simple to reflash the BMS. Now you can reflash these BMSs over the CAN bus, assuming they're all original firmwares, but if you're using the newer Chinese firmwares for the CATL batteries, you need to reflash via this port here. Hope that helps, and if you're after one of these, yeah, comment below.